Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem find the difference. In this problem given us a two string s and t, where t is formed from the s plus adding one extra character, and we have to find that character. So how we will solve this? So one of the easiest implementation is just we will use the character frequencies and increment while we are processing string t and decrement while we are processing string s, and in the end the similar frequency like same character will be subtracted out, their frequency will become 0 while the extra character will have the frequency 1. So we will just quickly implement. This is very straightforward problem and very easy, I guess say. And we will need a character array for 26 size, and then we iterate for character c in t dot to char array, and we will increment the frequency for c minus. We will normalize to the index from like small a is on 97 ASCII value to 0. So plus plus for t, and same thing we will do for s. For s we have to basically subtract it, minus minus, and in the end now we will index I from 0, and then we iterate in the for loop for I less than 26 basically, and I plus plus, and if we find any frequency of I is equals to 1, which means we found that extra character, and we will break here, and then in the end we just return the that character. So that integer we will convert into the character I, and then we also need to add the back a because we normalize the indexes into the 0 base. So let's compile this code. So code is getting passed, so let's submit this code. It's going on and it is accepted. So what is the time complexity? The time complexity of this solution is O of n, as we are just scanning two times what this string which has length on plus 1, which is on, and the space complexity is O of 26, which is O of 1. But some people may argument like it's why it is taking 26, but if you carefully observe this problem, like this s and t has all same characters except the extra character. So if you see, this problem is like a similar to the another problem single number, where like all the numbers exist in array is 2 times duplicate and only the one number is exist in once. So how we solve that problem? We can use the jar of the problem. So let's solve using the jar. So let's say I define a jar, so initialize from 0, then we can do the jar of all the characters of char c in s dot to char array first, then jar with jar. So this will become the and random position. This is a more letter, one letter and added letter. So this will become the jar of with c. Similarly we will do for with the t, all the character of t, which this will remove all the duplicate character, and in the end we just left over the extra character, and we will typecast it and return that character. So that's another solution. Let's compile and directly submit it. I guess it will pass. So it is accepted. Now it is straightforward. The space complexity is O of 1. We are just using this variable. So if you like my solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you still have any questions, ask in the comment section. Also try to solve the single number problem. I have video solution expel on that, but I don't think after solving this you can solve all the problem. Thanks for watching.